Hey guys, we're in Nusa Penida, which is near Bali, Indonesia, and we just bought this beautiful durian fruit, and you can tell by the smell that it's ripe enough and it's ready to eat. And I will show you how to eat durian. So the first step is, when you take a durian, to take a look of the lines where you're gonna cut with the knives. You can see the lines over here. This one's already cracked on one of the lines. Then starting from the top, there is another line which is right here in the middle, and if you follow it, it ends up exactly where it cracked. And then there's two other lines. When you open it, you'll see 4 lines on each durian. You can open it with a knife, and you'll have to use your fingers to crack it open and take the fruit and enjoy the fruit. So let's see how we're gonna do this. Now that we have it cracked open, this is the piece of the fruit that we're going to enjoy. So you just push it slightly, and then you take the fruit. It's very soft, a little bit mushy, and then you can open it up like this and enjoy a piece of it. You either love durian or you hate durian. So there's a love-hate relationship there. Let's have Abby try it and let us know if he likes it.
Okay. So just eat. Is there a seed in there?
There's a seed in there, so you just take a bite.
Doesn't smell good for sure.
What do you think?
Love or hate?
Yeah.
Somewhere in the middle. Let me see. I like it.
Yeah? How would you
get over the smell?
Your face doesn't
Pretty
say
nice.
so.
Still getting over the smell.
So you're saying that
Tastes pretty nice.
It's a smelly fruit, but it tastes good?
Yes.
All right.
When we went to Singapore, this is one of the national fruits of Singapore, actually, probably the national fruit of Singapore. And then once we came to Bali, we found this everywhere. So we're trying this for the first time in Nusa Penida, a very small island next to Bali.
And how is your experience with the fruit so far?
I like it. I like it.
How would you describe it taste like?
The taste is nothing I've tried actually. It's very different. Consistency is very...
Would you recommend it?
I would recommend eating it once in a while, not every day. Maybe once in a month or once in a lifetime.
But you gotta try it, right?
You gotta try it, yeah.
And what do you do with the seed? Throw it back in nature so more durian can grow.
All right.
And we're in a resort, Caliban homestay, where we're staying in a little bamboo house. It's almost sunset, and you can hear the crickets in the background. Just listen and enjoy. See you guys next time. Remember to subscribe to our channel and let us know what you think of the fruit of durian and if you ever tried it. Cheers!